Welcome to one of Sydney's most exceptional oceanfront properties, a masterpiece of contemporary architecture that redefines luxury living. Completed in 2023, this tri-level residence, designed by renowned architects Furio Velich and Andrea Suarez Ruiz, offers an unparalleled blend of sophistication and cutting-edge design. Perched majestically over Bungan Beach, this home is a celebration of elegance, featuring expansive glass-wrapped interiors that invite breathtaking ocean views from every angle. The open-plan layout enhances the sense of space, making it perfect for both entertaining and serene living. Step inside to discover a custom-designed home office that overlooks the stunning landscape. The chef's kitchen is truly a culinary dream, featuring top-of-the-line Miele appliances, an induction cooktop, and exquisite marble benchtops. With integrated Liebherr fridges and a fully equipped butler's pantry, this kitchen is designed for both functionality and style. The oceanfront terraces boast an outdoor kitchen and a stunning saltwater infinity pool, ideal for enjoying the sun and sea breezes. For relaxation and leisure, the pool level includes a full wet bar, lounge area, gym, and sauna, ensuring that every luxury is at your fingertips. The residence offers 4 lavish ensuite bedrooms, including a separate guest suite, each designed for ultimate comfort. Automobile enthusiasts will appreciate the showroom quality garage, accommodating up to 10 vehicles, complete with a lift for convenience. Equipped with ducted climate control and a substantial 20 kilowatt solar system, this home epitomizes modern living on a sprawling 1,570 square metre oceanfront block. Experience the pinnacle of Australian architecture in this extraordinary residence, a true gem on Sydney's coastline.